How to fix browser compatibility issues with ChatGPT login. First, you have to make sure that your browser is updated to the latest version. After you've done that, you would want to go to the browser settings. So just go ahead and click on the three-dot icon, then head to settings. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see privacy and security. You just have to go ahead and click on clear browsing data, then uncheck the first two options and clear your cache. Now again, come back to the ChatGPT login page and try logging in. If it is still not working out, then you might want to check your extensions. Now you would want to disable all the extensions that may be interfering with the login process. And finally, if nothing has worked out for you, then the problem might be with the browser. So you might want to switch to a new one and try logging in. If your issue is still not fixable, then your last option is to contact the AI support group. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.